What if you could get a premium villa lifestyle, a great location and excellent connectivity, all within an oasis of luxury and nature? Presenting Supreme Villagio, Somante, Pune, a luxury villa ecosystem close to the city, far away from city stress and pollution. At Somante, Pune, near MCA Stadium, a truly great home is always complemented by a great location, backed up by easy connectivity from Mumbai and Pune. Supreme Villagio is just off the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. There's a simple approach from Mumbai. Just take the Somante exit after the Urse-Talegaon toll. Supreme Villagio is only a 6-minute drive from the expressway. While coming from Pune, Supreme Villagio is just 30 minutes from Baner. Just take the old Pune-Mumbai highway and take the left turn after crossing the Somante toll, followed by a 2-minute drive from Somante Fata. In fact, the excellent approach from Pimpri-Chinchwad via Dehu Road is one of its biggest advantages. Here, you can stay close to nature while staying too close to the best social infrastructure. An experience called Somante, perched 600 meters above sea level, at the same height as Lonavala, an elegant, evolved villa lifestyle set up in a nature-blessed location that is close to the city and easily accessible. All these come together perfectly at Supreme Villagio for a luxury villa experience like no other.